Hey everyone, welcome back. In the last episode, we broke down branding in just 2 minutes. Today, we're talking about how you can build a strong brand without breaking the bank. Let's get into it. Quick reminder, branding isn't just a logo, it's how people perceive your business. And here's the good news, you don't need a huge budget to make people feel connected to your brand. You just need consistency and creativity. Firstly, create a simple and consistent look. Use free tools like Canva to design your logo. Pick 1 or 2 fonts, then stick to them everywhere from your Instagram posts to your websites. That consistency is what makes people recognize you. Secondly, don't try to be everywhere. Pick 1 or 2 platforms where your audience spends most of their time. Post consistently, use your brand colors, and keep your brand voice the same. It costs nothing, but it builds trust. Thirdly, use storytelling. Share why you started, what problem you're solving, and the journey behind your business. People connect more with your story than with polished ads. Remember, story beats budget. Fourthly, engage your audience. Reply to comments, engage with other small businesses, and encourage your audience to share their experiences. User-generated content like reviews and photos is free and powerful. Look at Dollar Shave Club. They didn't spend millions on ads. They made one video that went viral. Here's an article published by Sam Riga on the 24th of March 2019. How millions of views put Dollar Shave Club on course for $1 billion sale. Dollar Shave Club founder and CEO Michael Dubin knew there was a problem with buying men's razors. With a monthly membership, you could have razors delivered straight to your door at a fraction of the retail price. This concept, along with the viral video, disrupted the razor industry and ultimately led to DC's $1 billion acquisition by Unilever. And the rest is history. Just search Dollar Shave Club on YouTube. Now, last but not least, here's a quick challenge. This week, pick 1 color and 1 font to use across all your posts. That's the first step towards branding on a budget. Remember, branding isn't about money, it's about consistency. Thanks for watching. In the next episode, we'll dive into how to find your brand voice. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss it.